So I'm gonna have this mill for sale in the next month, probably a little bit sooner than that. But I wanted to show you guys it cutting. So if you got any questions or you know someone looking for one of these, I'm gonna have this and a log deck and a few other pieces of equipment for sale, because we're putting in all new equipment, and so people are gonna wanna know, you know, see it sawing before and stuff like that. Now this mill has 13,000, basically right at 14,000 hours. As far as anything being wrong with it, there is, you know, minimal things that are wrong as far as functionality and the motor and stuff. Everything is good on it. I replaced the motor on this at about 6,000 and some hours, and so that's all on record with Woodmizer because they installed everything. But other than that, there's a few little pieces, you know, that are, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But this mill functions, cuts, everything works on it. All the hydraulics work. In the last year, or the last 2 years, I have put newer hydraulic manifolds on this. I put a new hydraulic tank, a motor, hydraulic motor, the pumps, all the stuff that has to do with the hydraulics has been changed out. Most of the lines have been redone, and I just put a new log turner on it. It's got a new drive belt. Most of the stuff has been changed out, as in like the blade guide rollers, those will all be brand new. The brackets that hold them will all be brand new. The wheels that the blades roll on, those have been changed out in the last 1,500 hours, or 2,000 hours. And as other than that, I've replaced the new drive chain over here on the side. I've replaced that. I replaced all the bushings and things like that. You can go back on the channel and see that. But I just wanted to make a video so you guys could see. Now we've got all new equipment coming in, so I'm going to be getting this out of here and putting the new equipment in soon. And just want to show you guys it running so you can see the speed of this Super 70, and so you would know that there's nothing wrong with this machine. Woodmizer, I'm the original owner, so they have all the stuff that's been done to it on record. But I'll show you guys it running. It cuts extremely well and extremely fast, and we replace anything that breaks with new pieces. It does need washed up, but I'll have it completely washed and looking brand new before it's picked up by its new owner. I'm not going to let it go until we get the other equipment in, as we run 45 to 50 hours a week. We have modified this. If you haven't seen my original video, if you're buying one of these that's behind 2017 and a half, it already has all the head reworked, the bigger bolts put in it, grade 8 size, because the ones that come in these from the factory are grade 5 and the heads snap off of them. It's still a problem even on our 2022 model that we've got. We've had it break bolts off. It's super annoying. So you can buy this one knowing that it's had all that done. I've got that in video showcasing that. I've also put the newer head in the head here. You've got these square sheet metal that goes on the rollers. All that's brand new. I just put new guide or bearings in the mass and in the rollers and stuff, so it has those. also got about, oh goodness, I don't even know how many parts I've got for this on hand, but our new mill won't accept hardly anything that has to do with Woodmizer, so we'll be getting rid of all that with this as well. But if you're looking for one of these, I think that this will make you a great meal, especially if you're looking for one that's not going to be above $50,000, and you can put it in and start working it the day you get it. These are super simple to set up. This will make someone a great meal that was looking to get into it and use it in a production setting, but they don't want to spend a ton of money on a new one. Need to change this blade out. We've been running it about an hour and a half. This is a non-emissions 2015 model. Which in my opinion is the best one to have. Our 2022 with the emissions, we run it hard and we still have trouble out of the burner system. We've had trouble 3 times now, and our 2022 has already had the motor replaced on it within 3,000 hours. So that was something that was super annoying, which I don't know if it was the rear bearing or if it was the actual motor issue or what, but it broke the crankshaft. This is about 14.5 to 15 inches wide. So that'll give you an idea of how fast this machine will cut. And this is some dried out poplar. Poplar's super easy to cut, but this is dried out, so it's making it a little bit harder to push through. But I'll show you guys the meal and some of the things I'm talking about that are broke on it. Won't matter to 99% of people, but just want to be up front and show everybody. So I'll show you guys on this. We've just changed this out. This is brand new. We changed it 2 days ago. Since I've had the mill in the last 2 years, I've changed out the bushings in here and this cylinder. This is a hairline bent, but I have a brand new one of these that will go with the mill. Nothing wrong with this. It functions just fine, but this was bent. We bent it back because I couldn't get one in time. And so it has a little bit of nook in it. So far hasn't affected it at all. It's not leaking or anything like that. But I do have a new one here that will go with the meal. I've changed out the actual rods and bushings that go in the arms. Changed out the arms that are on the side supports. These are new. A lot of them you look and they'll be shaved half off in the front where it's kicked over sideways going in that bushing. And this one is rubbed a little bit, but it's not nowhere near as bad as one of normal that would have this many hours on it. I've changed out both the rollers on this to the newer style where you can actually change out the bearing in this. So this is newer. You can change the roller and bearing instead of just having to buy the whole piece like you do on the original models. This has been changed in the last month. This is all brand new along with the sprockets that it goes through. As far as the things that we have modified, we have welded up and strengthened where this mounts to, like I've showed in a lot of the other videos. And then if you look across, we have plated, you can see through there, we've plated all of that so that doesn't bust out. On these machines, if you go and you look at them, a lot of these machines will, so the actual arm that comes down here and lets this come up to push, the bracket that goes through here, as you can see, it's not plated from the factory. So what happens is the force that is able to push down on rips out this whole frame here. And if you don't catch it before it happens and fixes it, you're going to have major issues. And if you look up and under the mill, on a lot of them, they're cracked and bust. And what happens is you go to lift a big log and the whole side of that just falls out and your frame busts in half. So that's something majorly you've got to watch for. We have fixed all of that, made brackets on it and strengthened it. And that's something you definitely want. Another thing on these models, like I said, the head bolts that are in this are usually grade 5 on each side. And what happens is the actual bolt and stuff bust out and breaks off right here. Now what we've done to combat that is put a bolt backwards in it and sucked it to it so it can't break off. And we've put grade 8 inside here. And you can see we've put the gussets in each of the brackets on the side and around the frame. So you can see down in there, I've modified all the corners with the gussets in the brackets. This tank is brand new. Just put it on with all brand new hydraulic fluid. It's had this newer manifold put on in the last couple of years with all new valves and everything replaced on it. A lot of this meal is really newer and modified. So it's not like you're getting a 2015 that's wore out. We have, if anything, made this meal even better than the brand new models. And like I said, our 2022 still doesn't, it does now that we've got it, but still doesn't have a lot of the modifications that we put on these meals to strengthen them. So like I said, this, even on the inside of here, I've replaced both of these. I've got all new guide rollers, blocks, the gussets, all the brackets, all that'll be put on new. And then I'm going to try to get to weld this. I've got a new sheeting that goes under here. But another thing that I really like about 2015, 16, and 17 models is they've got this non-emissions motor. And the one thing that I like about it is it actually will put more horsepower down than the 17.5 and ups, especially when you're cutting through thicker things because it doesn't have the emissions. But also, if this motor goes bad, you can get the entire motor and everything for about $8,000. Now, if you get the emission model one and you buy it, you're looking at anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000 through Woodmizer. So if you get one of these, and the motor did go bad, you know, for some reason, you can get a motor a whole lot cheaper on one of these than you can the other ones, and you can no longer get these. Like I said, it's one of the things that they will not let you buy them anymore without the emission system. So that is a huge, and I'm not telling you that because I think something's wrong with this motor. This thing runs flawless day in and day out, and the only reason I'm getting rid of this meal is because I've got a totally new setup coming in. So I don't need this currently, and I just want to show everybody what I've got, and just so you can know. If you've got any questions, let me know below. But like I said, I can't even remember all the things that I've changed out because I've completely done all this new. I've got a totally new brake system and all this stuff to put on. I got a lot of parts to put on it, and I don't know that I'll get them all on before we transition to the new one, but it will be modified and it's ready to go to cut lumber. You can pull it out of my yard, put it in yours, and start making money that day.